Hi guys, you are welcome back again to my YouTube channel, and in today's video I'll be showing you how I made this beautiful skinny scrunchie for your beautiful hair. If this sounds like what you love, kindly watch to the end and don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share this video. I'll be making use of this fabric, more like a satin fabric, but any fabric will work very fine, and I'll be leaving the measurement of this piece of fabric and the elastic on the screen for you to see. In this DIY, I'll be making use of my pins, the ones I use for tacking and my safety pin. So first, I'll be folding one end of my piece just like this. The right side of this piece of fabric is facing up, and I'll just be folding like half an inch from that edge backwards, just as you see me do, and I'll be folding into two on the wrong side. I'll be using my pins to hold it in place. When I was done pinning down, I went ahead to stitch at 1/4 of an inch. It is a skinny scrunchie, so it's not meant to be too wide, okay? So I grabbed my safety pin and I pinned one end of the elastic, after which I passed it through, okay? So be careful not to allow the elastic to totally go inside. So in order to avoid that, just pin one end of the elastic down this way and you keep, passing it through. After bringing out the elastic from the other end, I just went ahead to secure the two ends of the elastic this way using my pin, and I went ahead to stitch down. You need to use your zigzag stitch for this part so that it will stitch it properly. So you guys remember that beginning part where I folded one end of the piece of fabric? I will just go ahead to use it to cover the other end of the fabric, okay, just as you can see me do, and I will go ahead to stitch it or close it properly. And that is it guys, very easy, like straightforward, and our skinny scrunchie is ready. You can actually do different colors, you can make for yourself, for your family members, and you can also make for sale. I hope this tutorial has been helpful. If you did learn something, kindly give this video a thumbs up, and just a quick reminder, if you are new to this channel, you are most welcome. Please do not make it your last time, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you have not done so yet. Do not also forget to like, comment and share this video. See you all in my next one. Bye.